Hello, my name is Jeph Acheampong. I am the founder of Blossom Academy. There's a gap between industry and academia, which means that the African youth do not have the practical skills to extract actionable insights from data. As a result, African businesses spend millions of dollars each year hiring data scientists from abroad to fill the gap. Blossom Academy exists to identify these African youth, provide them with world-class skill sets under data science, and then connect them to industry. Blossom Academy is made up of a team of academics, professionals, and data scientists based here in Ghana and abroad. Our expertise includes curriculum development, program delivery, and also fostering the right partnerships to help us train as many African data scientists as possible. Since our inception in 2018, we've trained approximately 250 data scientists. We've achieved a very successful placement rate of roughly 85%, where our graduates are working at some of the prominent organizations such as the World Food Program, Fidelity Bank, MTN, and others. Here at Blossom Academy, we envision an Africa where data is harnessed to improve the well-being of our people and also fuel economic growth. Imagine a farmer leveraging data to forecast when the rain would fall to help him or her plant and harvest crops appropriately. Imagine healthcare professionals leveraging data to make sure that our people here are served well and served to the highest degree possible.